Welcome back to quantifiedstrategies.com. Today, we're diving into the following question. Do dividend stocks in the S&P 500 outperform the market? If you're thinking about investing for income or long-term growth, this video is for you. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more investing tips. What are dividend stocks? Simply put, they're companies that share a portion of their profits with shareholders, usually every quarter. In the S&P 500, about 80% of companies pay dividends as of today. Research indicates that dividends accounted for roughly 40% of the S&P 500's total return from 1930 until today. As a group, dividend-paying stocks have outperformed non-payers since 1930. We looked at an analysis by Wellington Management, which examined dividend-paying stocks in the S&P 500 from 1930 to 2024, dividing them into quintiles by dividend yield and comparing performance over 9 decades. The second quintile stocks outperformed most often in 7 out of 10 time periods, suggesting that moderately yielding dividend stocks have been the most consistently outperforming. The stocks with the highest dividend yield are not performing as well as those with lower yields. So, why do dividend stocks often come out on top? It's all about quality. Companies that pay consistent dividends tend to be financially strong, with steady cash flows and disciplined management. Non-payers are companies that are often more speculative, typically startups or growth companies. An outlier is Berkshire Hathaway, which has continually reinvested its profits at high incremental returns on capital. Think of dividends as a signal of confidence. A company wouldn't pay them if it wasn't sure about its future. Plus, reinvesting those dividends over time compounds your returns, turning small gains into big wins. Now, should you load up on dividend stocks? Here's the deal. Pros. They offer steady income, lower risk, and a proven track record of outperformance, especially in rough markets. Perfect for retirees or conservative investors. Cons. High dividend stocks might lag in roaring bull markets when growth stocks like tech companies take off. Also, dividends are taxed, which could eat into your returns. So, there you have it. Dividend stocks in the S&P 500 can outperform the index most of the time, especially if you focus on moderate yield stocks and reinvest those dividends. It's not a guaranteed win, but the data says they're a solid bet for long-term wealth. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.